I'm Mama Cindy again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Panibagong video, panibagong online loan application na naman ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo. So this time ay marami kayong pagpipilian dahil ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga list ng mga online loan application na pwedeng mag-apply ang isang OFW. So kung hindi kayo na-qualified or na-approbahan sa mga OFW loan na na-share ko sa inyo before, ay dito ay pwede nyo subukan. Dahil nga dito is 15 loan application ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, kayo ang bahalang mamili kung saan nyo gustong mag-apply, kung saan nga kayo qualified. Pero syempre, bago nyo subukan yung mga ganitong pautangan online, ay manood muna tayo ng mga review about dito. And syempre, huwag natin kakalimutan basahin yung kanilang mga privacy and policy. At dito naman na-share ko sa inyo kung magkano yung interest nila, kung ilang months nyo sila pwedeng bayaran, and magkano ba yung mahihiram nyo pera sa kanila, at ano ba yung mga requirements nila dito. So, ito nga ang tinatawag na App Finance. So, sila ay merong website. Basta i-search nyo lang appfinance.com. Pero bago nyo nga ito subukan, is panoorin nyo muna ang video na to para magkaroon kayo ng idea about dito. OFW Cash Loan Lending List. All available OF loan information is collected for you. Choose the best organization. Get a consultant. So, dito nakalagay is amount na pwede nyo hiramin. So, ito hanggang 100,000 pesos. Term is 60 months. So, dito isinagad ko na po. And then, type of loan is, meron nga sila mga choices dito, katulad ng personal loans, credit cards, debit cards, loan for teachers, pensioner loan offer, salary loan interest, OFW cash lending list. So, dito nga tayo magpo-focus sa OFW. So, meron din silang agricultural loan at marami pang iba. So, hindi lang ito para sa mga OFW. So, kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng personal loan at kung ano-ano pang loan ang hinahanap mo is meron dito kay App Finance. So, i-click natin ang OFW cash loan lending list. And after natin maklik yan is, meron tayong makikita dito na it will take only 10 seconds for us to send your application to 320 financial institution in the country. So, kailangan natin ilagay yung ating name, phone number, and then yung ating email. And then after nyan, i-click na po natin ang send an application. So, dito makikita natin yung top 15 best OFW loans in the Philippines. So, nandito rin ang Cash Express, na merong 1% per day ang interest, pricing fee 10%, loan term 7 to 14 days, and then maximum loan amount is 20,000 pesos. So, dito rin ang online loan, Philippines 2% per month, up to 3 months, 25,000 pesos ang pwede mong mahiram sa kanya. Nandito rin nga si Digido. And syempre, meron din tayong giveaway cash. Ito ay nagaganap tuwing end of the month. Simple lang naman ang aking mechanics. Dapat ikaw ay nakasubscribe, nakalike, at like na mag-iwan ng iyong komento sa aking mga video. At magkakaroon ka ng chance lang pakasali at manalo sa ating pag-giveaway. And then, ang land bank. So, sa land bank naman is 0.625% per month. Loan term up to 84 months. Collateral, yes, meron siyang collateral. Minimum loan amount is 100,000 pesos. Maximum loan amount is 80% of TPC. So, next is Bank of the Philippines. So, dito meron itong interest rate na 1.2% per month. Loan term up to 36 months. On-time pricing fee 1.5. Minimum loan amount is 20,000 pesos. Maximum loan amount is 300,000 pesos. So, Pag-ibig Fund, nandito rin ang Pag-ibig Fund. Interest rate is 1.4% per month. Loan term up to 36 months. Minimum down payment, 5% of loan. Maximum loan amount is 500,000 pesos. And meron din dito Mindanao Consolidated Cooperative Bank. So, dito interest rate nila is 1% to 2% per month. Loan term up to 60 months. Collateral, yes, meron din silang collateral. Service charge, 2% to 6% of amount. Maximum loan amount is 1 million pesos. So, meron nag-comment sa akin video na nagtatanong kung pwede daw siyang humiram ng 1M. So, ito ang itry mo, si Mindanao Consolidated Cooperative Bank. Kasi ang kanilang maximum loan amount is 1 million pesos. So, next is Asian Link. Interest rate is 1.75% to 4% per month. Loan term up to 36 months. Minimum loan amount is 5,000 and maximum loan amount is 100,000 pesos. So, PHCCI, interest rate from 1.8% per month up to 12 months ang kanilang loan term, and maximum loan amount is 50,000 pesos. And then, PS Bank, nandito rin ang PS Bank, interest rate 2.5% per month, loan term up to 36 months, minimum loan amount is 20,000 pesos, maximum loan amount is 250,000 pesos. BDO, interest rate 2.9% to 3.5% per month, loan term up to 36 months, minimum loan amount is 10,000 pesos, and maximum loan amount is 1 million pesos. And katulad nga dito kay Asialink, meron siyang car loan, seafarer loan, kabayan loan, and business loan. So sa kabayan loan, ang kanilang loan term is 1 to 36 months, minimum loan amount is 50,000 pesos, maximum loan amount is 500,000 pesos, interest rate 1.75% to 4% per month. Approval time up to 24 hours. So once na nakompleto natin lahat ng requirements na hinihingi nila, ay up to 24 hours, malalaman natin kung approve o decline ba tayo dito kay Asialink. So at least 18 years old at the time of application but not more than 60 years old upon loan maturity. One valid government issue ID. Submit supporting documents such as payroll, COE, ITR, company ID, DTI, have not filed for bankruptcy. At dito naman kay Metro Quick Cash, ay meron tong OFW loan, and then ang loan term nito is 3 to 12 months, minimum loan amount 20,000 pesos, maximum loan amount 50,000 pesos, interest rate 3.5% per month, approval time 2 banking days. At nandito rin si Cashmart, na meron nga din si Cashmart na personal loan, OFW loan, and sa OFW loan ay meron tong loan term na 7 to 35 days, pricing fee na 10%, minimum loan amount 5,000, maximum loan amount 50,000 pesos, interest rate 1.7% to 2.5% per month. So, approval time is 1 banking days. So, na-explain ko na sa inyo before si Cashmart, and dito pala is sobrang bilis lang ng kanilang loan term kasi 7 to 35 days. And then, kay Balikbayad. So, ito na-explain ko na rin sa inyo before si Balikbayad. So, OFW Seaman Loan, loan term is 3 to 18 months. Minimum loan amount, 20,000 pesos. Maximum loan amount, borrow as much as 2 times your salary. 4.8% to 5.75% per month naman na kanilang interest. So, approval time is 1 banking days. So, mabilis lang din. Once nga na okay yung ating mga requirements, ay 1 banking days lang is malalaman natin kung approve o decline tayo dito. So, ang kagandahan dito kay Balikbayad is, ang pwede mong hiramin is 2 times ng iyong basic salary. So, yan yung mga best OFW loan list in the Philippines. Nasa inyo kung alin din ang gusto nyong itry, kung alin ba dyan yung qualified talaga kayo nang bahalang mamili. Basta yung mga online list application na yan po ay pwede sa mga OFW. So, yun lang naman for today's video, and reminders lang po na hindi ko po kayo ni-encourage na umutang sa mga ganitong online loan application. Nandito lang po ako para mag-share sa inyo ng about dito, negative and positive na tungkol sa mga OLA. So, hanggang dito na lang aking video. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button para like na updated sa aking mga latest vlog. Thank you for watching.